everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sydney, and if you're new, welcome back. Today's video is going to be basically about the new Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It is called Norvina. That is how I achieved my makeup look today. I do not usually go for purpley pink eyeshadows whatsoever. I usually stay to warm tone eyeshadows, but this palette is absolutely gorgeous. I think it blends out very beautifully. It has the same formula as the Modern Renaissance palette. I do think the mattes blend out so well. It's amazing how well they blend out. It's like they're so pigmented, but it blends out so perfectly. And I feel like that's a really good quality to have when you're looking for an eyeshadow palette. I think there's gonna be a lot of eyeshadow looks that you can come up with this eyeshadow palette. The only negative thing I have about this eyeshadow palette would definitely be the kick up, which it doesn't bother me at all. And what I mean by that is when I put my brush into the palette, it like picks up a lot of product and leaves like a lot of kickback on the palette. When you put it on the eyes, luckily it does not have a lot of fallout on your face, even though it doesn't matter if it does because I do my foundation after my eyes. I mean, yes, it gets a little messy in the pan, but who cares if it doesn't fall on your face? Yeah, but overall, I think this palette is so amazing, and I would definitely try to get my hands on it as soon as possible because I have a feeling that this is gonna run out really quickly. Luckily, I got mine online on their website. I'll link their website down below, and I got it as soon as it came out. So yes, overall, I definitely would recommend this palette to anybody, even people like me that do not like wearing crazy eyeshadow looks and stick to very basic nudes, warm colored eyeshadow looks. Definitely try this out. It's worth the money. By the way, money. I think this palette was $42 plus shipping was about $48, I think. It's not bad. $48 for 14 shades that are absolutely beautiful. 7 shimmers, 7 mattes. They all blend out beautifully. I do say that the shimmers apply better with my finger than just a brush. So now I'm going to show y'all how I did this eyeshadow look very quickly. I'm just going to fast forward it and maybe do a voiceover. I'm not sure yet. I pointed to all the colors that I used and I showed each of the products I used. Get this palette. I'm going to show you how I did this look, and I approve, and I think this is amazing, amazing palette. By the way, for my highlighter, I also use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sugar. I use the Gumdrop shade right here, and it has like a pinky purple glow to it, so I think it's super pretty and it went along with this look. And then the lips, I just did a plain gloss. So this is the look up close. And that's all for today. If you like this makeup look and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!